everyone, it is Andrea, and today I am coming at you with my kit lineup for October. I am not even really sure if this is finalized. Do I ever? No. And we're just going to go ahead and get into the kits, and if I add anything, we add things. If we don't, we don't, you know. And also, this is tentative to change because I change my mind quite often. So this is October 2nd through the 8th. I'm going to be using the Haunted kit, and I'm going to be using it with the Gunmetal foil bundle. This is in Confetti 2. I also do have the Fashion as well as the Doodle in there. And then I wanted to pair this with some things from Hannah, so I went ahead and, because she doesn't have like a gunmetal, I got these Spidey underlays, and I thought it'd be cool to do the bougie from this foil bundle underneath the matte, or maybe over, I don't know, maybe over the underlays. These are in matte silver, and I thought that these would be really fun to pair with this kit. And then I also have, I think it was the font of the month last month, question mark, and I have my custom multi in that font of the month just in black. I did order a bunch of those, so you will see those throughout the month of October, but I'm so excited for that kit. I feel like this kit had a lot of foil options that you could pair with it, but I just went pretty simple with that, but also kind of fun because I haven't used the gunmetal yet. The next one is going to be Bennetts Birthday, which Bennett has changed his mind since that he does not want a Mario birthday. He wants a what's it called? A Kirby birthday, but we're just sticking with the Mario theme because that's just too much work to be changing things last minute. So I do have the Ultimate kit as well as the 2 extra colors and the Doodle sampler. If you want to purchase this kit, just send us over an email and we can add it to an order or invoice. So that is the Mario kit. And then as far as things that I am going to be using with this is one that I don't think I have everything nailed down for, because I probably need a base of a rainbow foil bundle. So I'm just going to go ahead and see what I have in my selection of things. I have this one here, which is just Confetti 2 in the Holla, or the Sparkly Rainbow. I also have this one, which is like the mixed metal. I think this one's sold out, the mixed metal, but I will grab one of these, this label sampler, just to have with that. That one's sold out. I should order some more. Or did I order more? I don't think I ordered more. I don't remember. Somebody remind me. I will look. So I'm just going to use the confetti because I think that'd be fun. It's a very like neutral look. And then I did have 2 different underlays. I don't know which I'm going to go with. It's going to be a game day decision, I think. So I do have the checker as well as the pixel. I'm kind of leaning, I think pixel came out maybe after, but also I'm not sure. I'm leaning towards the pixel, but I may do checker. It just honestly depends on my mood. And then for this, I do also have Lorcana icons just because I know I'm going to need them. This was also, I don't remember when this is from, but this was one of the freebies. It was in rainbow, so I figured I'd put with it. I have in rainbow the Happy Birthday Bennett, which is just my family sheet in the rainbow, as well as this was a font of the month, I think in like March maybe. I'm not totally sure, but I got this in rainbow with just like my normal custom multi. So that is going to be what I use with the Mario kit. I think it was a perfect time to pull in rainbow, but I think there was a lot of foil options that'd be fun with this. Even just like the red and blue mixed metal that we have. I think it's in maybe shimmer, question mark. If you look up red blue in the search bar, it'd probably come up, but lots of options, but that's the one I went with. The next one here is Vampire, and it is gorgeous. And I initially was going to use Champagne Lights, or it was probably going to be Champagne Lights with this, but then I was going through and I realized that I think that Pixie Rose would be beyond epic with this. So I went ahead and bought some things. So I do have the Fams, I think, in here. Fam Doodle, and maybe if there's extra color, I'm not sure. I also have another one of those like spooky custom multis. And then I just ordered some a la carte things from Hannah and Pixie Rose. So I do, and I also have Pixie Rose, some other things in this with the June Mystery. Like I have the tall box overlays along with like Lorcana and a couple other things that'll move on over into here. But I'll do that obviously later. Once I use that kit, I'll move everything over. So I do have the bloody underlays. I thought this would be really pretty with obviously the vampire. There's like blood splatter in here. It's so sparkly. And then I do also have the drip because I thought that would be cool to have. I'll probably like kind of manipulate them a little to make them look like they're like on the top and like dripping down, or you put them more in the corners. I don't know. We're going to figure it out, but I wanted to have those as an option. And I also got, I might have got this as a bundle and then put the icons. Oh yeah. There's like a script icon page, and I put the script icon page with that other kit so that I could use them there and then bring it over. So this was a bundle. And I just got it because I had everything I needed in it. And there's an extra box, like a stroke box, which is nice, some flags, and then these little things that I could just pop on full boxes or whatever. And then as far as the bottom washi, there's like a confetti and a drip. I might order like, I don't know, something else for the bottom washi. I'm not like huge fan of this confetti with everything. So I'm thinking about maybe ordering a bow, or maybe ordering a quote would be really pretty. If you have any quote ideas, I think a quote would be really fun. I also do have the confetti corners because I don't want everyone to have blood. We'll just kind of split it up. And then I think that, I don't know, hold on, let me see what else was in this bundle because I'm kind of confused on what I did. So oh yeah, I do. I have the confetti here for this kit, which I like it with this kit. I just am not a huge fan of it with that one. And then I don't know what I did with the icons and script page. I don't know. Is there an icons and scripts page? Here it is. This one. So I'll move that over. I don't know what kind of headers it had with it. Oh, it has the bloody headers. So those are the icons. So these two pages were also in the bundle, but I think I'm just going to stick with the like confetti. What is this? Girl in the anniversary note. Just think this is the vibe. So I mean, I need something else for the bottom washi for this one because I don't know if I want to use this. I think I want to use like a quote or something. So if you have any like vampire quotes that you think would be cute with this, let me know. And then like I said, I'll be moving all of the extras from that selection of things once I'm done with that spread into here. And then once I'm done with it in here, if I don't have any other time that I'm planning on using it, I'll just put it back into my Plannahannah foil binder. Then I have a Gothic romance. So this is Darcy art. It's really like spooky this Halloween. This one I don't really have a lot with either. I just have the underlays because I think that I was just kind of like lost as far as like what I wanted to do foil wise. But I'm thinking about this one doing a no foil look. I think. And then I would just need like something for the bottom washi, which I could just use like a black bow. Let me look at the bottom washi real quick. Yeah, I could just use a black bow. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab that. But I think this one I want to do a no foil look. I've been liking doing that every once in a while. I think oddly it spices things up. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a black bow. We sell those from me. I think another one would be really fun is like a sparkly black. But I think because I have so many black things here, maybe I'd do a sparkly black. I could just put it in just in case. Let me see if I have it. This purple would be actually really fun too. Or like even this like brownish burgundy color. This color is like a really pretty red. Where is my sparkly black? I have these. That's green. Oh, here they are. Ooh. There's quite a few options, like this one. So I have stars. There's like the sparkle, the punk, the twinkle, old format. I'm just going to put this in with it. And then if I decide I want to do something sparkly instead of doing something flat, I could just take this out and then do some layering with these, like put these underneath and then do the sparkly, which let me show you. I don't know if you're able to see, but this is a focus, my darling. There we go. It's like a sparkly black. So if I decide I want to do sparkly black, game day decision, I would just take out these, the bow, and then do one of these underlays with the sparkly above it. And then this is obviously fine. I just still use this probably. So That is going to be a Gothic Romance. This is in Confetti 2. And then this is the Spidey underlays from Planet Hannah along with the Freddy. I just haven't decided. Black ones are easy though, because like if I don't use it, I'll just use it some other time. I think I initially had bought in those, or one of those. I might have had one in my collection and then I bought another one for this kit, but then I decided to change my mind on this foil color combo. So this one here, I decided to change my mind on, and I'm going to using Lavender Hollow and black. Kind of odd choice, but I just think the Lavender Hollow with this is just so stinking pretty, especially because it like goes through, like you see the different like this like this green color is like that green color, and then there's like the orange and like that yellow color, the purple, like whenever it like flecks, it just like in the light, it's just so gorgeous. So I don't know exactly what my whole idea was. I do have this like freebie from Planet Hannah that I thought was cute. I also have this matte box I found, so I just threw it with it. And then what I did was and I have this too. It's just given at this point. So I did order 2 of the SPC Planet Hannah collab bundles. This one is in black foil, and then this one is in Lavender Hollow. And then I figured I would just like mash them, like just do the do. And if I decide that I maybe want to do bows instead of the ghosts, I probably would do the ghosts. But like, who knows? Maybe I'll do like the mixed metal ghosts, and then maybe I'll do, I don't know. I'm just going to mix things up and see kind of where it takes me. Maybe I'll do some like the black headers with the Lavender Hollow boxes. I can't decide what the current thing is. Maybe I'll pull in some basics for me, like some black basics or some Lavender Hollow things. I think I'm going to lean more into the Lavender Hollow and then just kind of like play around with some black stuff. Maybe I'll do black underlays and do Lavender Hollow everything else. I haven't decided, but I like having the option, and I think both of those are another thing. Like when I have leftovers, it's really not going to be that hard to pull those into future spreads. So, and this is crazy because this is like really old art. This is like very, very old, and that is going to be my Halloween kit for this year. But yeah, so overall, super, super thrilled with this kit lineup. I think this is really nice moving in from September to have something spookier, but not like specifically Halloween. Bennetts Birthday. This is also Kitnish Jess's birthday week. So I wanted to make sure, like I was going back and forth, like which one should I put here? So I used her art on this week. And then I have the Darcy art, and then I have the old Kitnish Jess art, which I just am obsessed with. I don't know if I used this when it came out. I should go look. But yeah, I went back and forth on this one, either using just plain black, if I was going to use sparkly black, but I just figured the Lavender Hollow worked so well, and I wasn't using Lavender Hollow any other time in Halloween, that it just seemed like the best option. So that, my friends, is everything for my October kit lineup. I hope you love it. If you have any suggestions for me on quotes, let me know in the comments down below, or even just like quote full boxes, because I'm also down to order some of those for some of these kits. Would love some suggestions. Otherwise, I will talk to y'all in my next video.